Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Friday, September 13th. I traded CPRX for a opening range breakup, 5 minute opening range. So I saw in the first few minutes it was pretty strong, and then it pulled back on lighter volume here. Oops, lighter volume right here, and popping back up, reclaiming VWAP. So I thought that was going to be a really good entry. So I took it long here with my stop of the break of the 20 moving average on the 1 minute. And as you can see, it was a potential opening range. I was hoping that it was going to crack this 675, which was previous day's highs. It just didn't have the juice. So right when it cracked the 20, I got all out. And I'm glad that I did. I stuck to my rules. So I'm not disappointed with that trade. I probably would take that 100 times. So small loser on that trade. And then I traded Apple. I saw Apple. Apple was a good trade. So at the open, you notice this thing sold off, but it was holding this level here. Check out those wicks. Beautiful wicks, right? Hammers. Hammer and huge wicks, buying power, or buying pressure. But at the same time, the 5 minute was telling me it was a short. But on the 1 minute, it popped back up on good volume. Look at the volume compared to this, this down a lot higher. So I became long bias on this. So as it pulled back, lighter volume, it popped back up. I started to see an ABCD pattern forming on the 1 minute chart, as you can see here. Here, A, B, C, and D. Right there. So right on that pullback, I got in at 219.70. I had about a 30 cents risk. At the same time, this was a nice 5 minute candle. And then on the 15 at the time was printing a beautiful 15-minute hammer for a 15-minute opening range breakup. So right when I got my 2 to 1, I partialed here. I took more off here. And then I had a limit order to at 220.80. And I want you guys to notice here at the high of the day, it was literally 1 cent, 1 cent from there. So I did not get filled. And at the same time, this thing was pulling back here, pulled back, tested it again, and it couldn't break it. So I saw a potential double top for a short here. So I just took majority of my shares off here, and I let the rest ride to see if it was going to get back up there. Unfortunately, it did not. It came back down, formed this bearish engulfing candle here. Could have been a short play, and then I just got all out at break even. So all in all, it was a good trade. I can't believe I didn't get filled on that order, but oh well. And then I traded also dust. I was pretty much scalping this and just looking for ABCD patterns. So as you can see here, um, you see the ABCD patterns forming. So dust is the triple inverse of gold nugget, and I'm pretty much bearish on gold right now, and so dust has been on a tear, and gold has been selling off. So as you can see, it formed this beautiful ABCD pattern here on the 1 minute chart. A, B, C, and D. It's actually up there, but it came here. I added for a red to green move. This was a previous day close. I added, took some off here, added more, and then I got all out. So that was one trade. And then, of course, this is when I saw the bigger move and I had a little bit of FOMO here. But I'm glad I didn't chase. I waited for for it to consolidate here and forming another ABCD pattern. So you can see here, A, B, C, and D. And right when it was getting ready to crack this high, I went in long, I took some off, I added more, and then I got all out. So all in all, not that bad of a day. That first trade was a loser, but hey, it happens. You're not going to predict everything. And I'm just really proud of myself for not trading in the first 5 minutes like I made a hard rule from yesterday. And yeah, I hope everyone had a good trading day. And I will see you guys on Monday next week. Have a beautiful weekend, everybody.